From this lesson onward, we will be working on our FunFacts app. So let's get started. So open up your terminal or command prompt, and now let's create a new Flutter project. So Flutter create app name, organization, and then organization identifier. Once the project has been created, let's open it in our VS Code. So now let's move into this lib directory, main.dart, clear everything so we can start from the scratch. So let's create the entry point void main, and inside of it we will have this run app from this material.dart, and this will have a class myApp. Alright, so now let's create this class stf stateful widget. Now Control D to select everything and rename this to myApp. Alright, and now let's create a new file for the main screen because we do not want to keep everything inside of this main.dart. So new file main screen.dart, and it would be better if we can place this inside of a screens folder. So screens, and let's keep this dart file inside of this screens. Alright, and now let's move into this main.dart again, and now let's replace this placeholder with the material app, and the home argument of this material app will be the main screen. So the main screen class is not created, so let's move into this main screen.dart, create a stateful widget. So stf, select everything and change this to main screen. So now let's move into this main.dart and import this main screen. So now the basic setup has been complete, and in this Flutter project we will be dealing with APIs. So let's import do package. So open up your terminal and type flutter pub add do. So now let's launch the emulator and start debugging. So now let's provide a theme to this material app. So theme equals to theme data.light, and let's use material 3 over here. So now let's move into this main screen.dart, and let's replace this placeholder with an scaffold with the app bar FunFacts. So now I want a settings icon over here, so I can open the settings page. So let's access this actions argument of this app bar, and let's create an icon over here. So icons.settings, and now we need a little bit of padding over here. So let's wrap this with the padding widget, and when this icon is clicked, I want to open up a new page. So let's wrap it with an inkwell widget, and on tap argument of this inkwell will have an anonymous function for now. Alright, so let's create a new screen, settings underscore screen.dart stf, and then rename it to settings screen. Alright, so let's move into this main screen, and let's use the navigator over here. So navigator dot push, and the first argument is context, second argument will be the material page route, and this builder will be a function, callback function with the callback value of context, and from inside of it we need to return this settings screen. So let's move into the settings screen. So if I click at this button, settings screen is being displayed but it's showing this placeholder. So let's replace it with a scaffold. So let's import this, and now let's use an app bar over here with the text widget settings. So we have the settings page. If this icon is clicked, then settings page will open, and we'll be working on the settings page later, but first we'll be working on displaying fun facts in our main screen, and we'll be doing that in our next lesson. So I'll see you there.